Hey guys, I'm Jay from today'siphone.com, and this is the Belkin Shield Micra for the iPhone 4. Now this is a case I selected as part of Apple's free case for the iPhone 4 program. There are a bunch of other ones, but I picked this one because I wanted a nice clear case for my iPhone that would protect it and still show off the form factor and design that Apple created. The box is pretty basic. You get the case on the front, and here's a place where you can feel it, I guess. And on the back, it just gives you some information about the case. Sleek design, protection without bulk, design, that's other languages that I don't want to butcher by pronouncing them. So, we open up the case. This is actually not an official unboxing because I've been using it for a couple days. But take it out of the package, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So. Alright. So this is the case. It is just clear, it just snaps on the back, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so the way you're supposed to put it on is just aligning the volume buttons in the cutouts, and then just sliding it on like that. Boom, that's it. Now, I've been using this case for a couple days, and, well, let's just start with the good first. The good is, it is clear, so it shows off Apple's awesome design, and the form factor mimics that of the iPhone 4. The front panel with the screen is completely exposed. I guess that can be a good or a bad thing, because there's no lay on the table design, which means that there's like a little ridge around the screen, like on the bumper case, so if you lay it down flat on the screen doesn't actually make contact. The cutouts are all open, so easy access. Well, the cutouts on the top and the bottom are open. And it is glossy, so it's really easy to slide in and out of your pocket. Some of those like silicone cases catch on your clothes and collect lint and stuff, and are really hard to get in and out of your pocket. So that's nice. And unfortunately, that's about all the good I can say about this case. I'm actually pretty disappointed with this case. To be honest, I was expecting a lot more. As you can see, there are, I don't know if you can see actually, but yeah, there are tons of scratches on here already. That scratch right there on the side, that's not on my phone. It's not even on the outside of the case. It's on the inside of the case, and it was there when I opened the box. So the case came with scratches on it already. So that is a huge disappointment. It attracts fingerprints much more than even the actual iPhone's back does. So it gets kind of gross after a while. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't actually lay flat on the bottom. It like sort of bubbles up there. So dust can get in there and scratch the back of your phone, which is basically what this case is trying to protect you from, since it's really not that protective in itself. Again, here, the case doesn't actually make contact with the phone. I mean, on this side you can see that it's aligned with the phone, but on this side there's some space in between. The volume cutout is only big enough for the volume buttons to fit, which means that if you press the buttons like this, you're not going to be able to hit them. You have to use your fingernail and really get in there. Right above the button, not getting anything. I use my fingernail. Same thing with the ringer switch. The ringer switch is a bit easier, kind of. Let's see if I can get this in focus. If you can see right there, you get this weird sort of, almost like oil in water sort of pattern when the plastic of the case meets with the glass back of the phone. I'm not really sure what that is. There's no water in there or anything. I've completely cleaned it off, but this just sort of happens. Now, this case retails for $25 on Belkin's website, and I don't want to make a video just bashing this case over and over again, but I have to say that if I had actually paid for this case, I would definitely have returned it and gotten my money back and bought something like the in-case slider or even the bumper. So let me know if any of you guys got the Belkin Shield Micra as part of your free case, or even if you paid for it. What do you think of it? How does it protect your phone? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember, for more news, views, and reviews, check out today'siphone.com.